What it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but Sunny Sue about to do this hairdo. So if you're interested, stick around and keep on watching. Boo. Boop.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I have another really beautiful unit. This one is from BGMgirl. Let me move this. This is from BGMgirl, and they have some really beautiful hair. Right off the bat, let me give you the specs. I have in 24 inches of their Kinky straight, and I did curl it, as you will see in the video. She is a yaki texture, y'all. Y'all know how I love yaki. Yaki will always have a special place in my heart. That's just the, I mean, look at it. I love the texture. I just love how it mimics our hair. You see what I'm saying? Like, it's just everything. This is a pre-everything wig, so it is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut. So it's really, it's just, this is glueless. And best of all, this is a 9x5, not 7, not 6, but 9x5. It's super wide. It's giving you that frontal look. Now, if you're new to my channel, you don't know, but for those of you who have been here for a very long time, you know that I love to turn my frontal units into glueless units. And basically all you would do is cut off the excess lace right here and put some tension, which that's basically what they did. That's what they did. They literally made a frontal glueless unit. Okay, you have so much of a wide space that nobody would tell what is going on here. If you're able to camouflage this little piece right here to, I mean, this pullback style in particular, like, and just pull out some hair right here, nobody would know. Like, who gonna know? How would they know? How would they know? I decided to do this really popular style. I think it's just so girly and so, it's giving Bridgerton. Okay, it is super girly. It's like it's just a beautiful hairstyle, and I absolutely love it. And this unit is perfect for that. And the fact that it's glueless, that you can do this style and it be glueless, come on now, come on now. I mean, look at it. Look at it. She is super full, absolutely stunning. I did no cutting, I did no plucking, I did absolutely nothing. This is ready to go. I am always going to do baby hairs because I do feel like baby hairs fit me. If you are not a baby hair girl, don't do it. You don't have to do it, but don't come for those of us that love to do it. Okay, I have no complaints on this unit. It is so beautiful, gorgeous, full, the shine on it, everything, the body, and it's perfect for this hairstyle. Like, it's just perfect. Listen, all the specs are gonna pop up. Why don't you ever know the side? Okay, all the specs are gonna pop up right here for anything that I did forget to say, and the links will be down in the description box. So I know y'all want to see this look, so let's just get right on into the video.
Tell me, what can I do now? Ain't it always funny how soon as I let my guard down, here comes that familiar sound. When you start to get tongue-tied, and in my heart I feel you lie. Though I knew the whole damn time, why do I act so surprised? 'Cause our friends keep your secrets, and your family helped you do this. Since you don't think you should live differently, what's left for me when it all ends? You need some real ones on your side. The type to pull up, down to right. Keep it 100, tell you if you're wrong or right. Yeah, you need some real ones on your side. I can see through all the fake, but I give my all to those who take. It's disaster in the making, how easily we break. We're all diamonds in the rough, but no one's gonna call your bluff. when you messed up. Yeah. 'Cause our friends keep your secrets. And your family enables weakness. And I don't think you could live differently. What's left for me when it all ends? You needed some real ones on your side. The type to pull up, down to front. Yeah, keep it 100. Tell you if you're wrong or right. Yeah, you need some real ones on your side. So I know that they're on our side.
Things just ain't the same. Girl, can't see what's in front of me. Yeah, don't wanna keep playing this game. But gotta stop before it is too late. It's too late. I know I'm not okay. I feel myself fading away. What a childish game to play. We'll never know how close we came. Letting us down hurts me more than you know. The pain is too much, don't wanna be here alone. It's breaking my heart, watching you go. I wanted to stop, though I already know it's the end of for you and me. Keep on saying the time will heal. Keep lying just to make me feel I'm not lonely. It's the end of for you and me. Keep on saying the time will heal. Baby, baby, you're kidding me. I just want you to hold me.
Yeah, so that is basically it. That's all that I did. Really easy. Another beginner friendly unit. I really love how this looks. I love how, I mean, it just melts in. All I did was use mousse to mold my baby hairs, and the mousse will also help it to stick. So all you need to do is just like apply a little bit of mousse to mold the baby hair, or just apply a little bit of mousse to the front, let it dry, and you're good to go. This is gonna, this, come on now. Come on. Like, this is pretty. I love this, and the fact that it's a yaki texture, it's my fave. It's my absolute fave. Like, yaki is my absolute fave. I will never get enough of it. I mean, I wish you could see this in person. I wish you could see the texture. I wish you could see how airy it is. That's another thing about yaki. Yaki tends to be a little bit more airy, you know, like it's a little bit more fluffy. It's gorgeous. 10 out of 10. I recommend this unit. Anything yaki, honey. And you get a lot of parting space. Like, it's just gorgeous. It is absolutely stunning. So make sure you check out BGMgirl. This unit, it's a must. It is a must have. Everything will be linked down below. I don't have any more words for this. I mean, just look at it. It's speaking for itself. When you put on a unit and it speaks for itself, honey, what is there to say? Like, what am I in here talking about? Okay, like, she's so girly. She is so pretty. I love this. And the bow, just chef's kiss. So make sure you check out the links. Everything will be down in the description box. Listen, if it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Comment down below because I want to hear from you guys. If you purchase this wig, let me know, okay? And I do recommend that you go ahead and purchase this. This is beautiful. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video because sharing is caring. And until the next video, take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys really, really soon.